Okay, here we are. We're out here in the garden. This is the new section here, just a small section I kind of plowed up, and my purpose was to put zucchini plants in here. And this little tiller got out because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. I'm just so pleased from last year that when I bought it, to help me get into some of the smaller rows and bring my produce, my plants a little bit closer, so I can actually put more in smaller places. And I'm just been so pleased with this. And here it's just unreal. I mean, it's two cycles. Probably the only biggest thing about it being two cycle, because you got to mix the gas and oil together. With only the four little tines in the front of it, it's not really wide, so I mean it's really good. Now, if you had raised beds, that'd be the thing to use it for, because you know, raised beds, I see a lot of people having those, and I mean it's nice to have raised beds. I like to do that too, but I wouldn't do it unless I had something like this. The reason why is because I know you use raised beds and then you turn the soil with a shovel, but man, I'll tell you what, you take this, got a handle on it, pick it up, put it up in a raised bed, cut it up, you're done. I mean, it just cuts your work. The biggest thing is to try and find tools so it can make your job a lot easier and faster, so you can go on to the next thing you want to get done. That's the way with me. I'm so busy on doing so many different things that you know, I don't have time to take a shovel and dig something up. It's going to take me too long. I want the tools, equipment, whatever. I want to go out and do it, and I want to get it done. I was really pleased with this, and I picked this up at Home Depot. There's another video I have in there on it, and this is my second year. And I'll go ahead and just demonstrate a little bit here. You guys can see I got some of it cut up. Now this soil here has got a lot of clay in it, and I'll probably end up putting some sand and maybe some topsoil in with this. In the next couple years, this is going to be really good soil. So and then I'll probably throw some fertilizer on top of it a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go ahead and start it up and let you know the way it runs, and how nice it's going to be for me to go ahead and just kind of mess around with this here to get this tilled up to get it ready for those zucchini plants. So let me go ahead and start it up. Nice little kickstand for it. Okay, there you go, the Echo TC210. Nice little tiller. Something to think about when you're out there doing that work and you want to get something done pretty fast. You just can't beat them. Thanks for watching. Hope that can help somebody out.